Auto Equalization, also known as Auto-E, is Hydra-Stop's proprietary auto equalization system for 4 through 12-inch Insta-Valve 250 insertion valves and 14 through 16-inch Insta-Valve Plus 250 insertion valves. Auto-E eliminates the need to use an external equalization source to set the valve cartridge. How does Auto-E work? The Auto-E check valve allows flow to pass through the check valve during the installation process to equalize pressure above and below the completion plug. You only need to turn the feed screw to advance the valve cartridge until it is completely seated. Auto equalization allows for simpler, safer, and faster installations that save you time and money by simplifying the process, eliminating external equalization equipment, and decreasing setup and labor time. For more information about Hydra-Stop's full line of solutions for control, visit our website at www.hydra-stop.com. or contact Inside Sales at 708-389-5111 or toll free at 800-538-7867.